Cancer. A word that strikes fear into the hearts of millions. Every year, nearly 10 million people lose their lives to this devastating disease, according to the World Health Organization. It feels like a battle against an invisible enemy, one that can appear without warning. We've all been touched by it in some way, whether through a family member, a friend, or a news story about a beloved public figure. The statistics are overwhelming, and the emotional toll is immeasurable. It leaves us feeling helpless, wondering what we can do to protect ourselves and our loved ones. We're constantly bombarded with advice: exercise more, stress less, avoid certain chemicals. But what if one of the most powerful weapons in this fight is already sitting in your kitchen? What if the simple act of choosing the right foods could significantly reduce your risk? Today, we're not just talking about general health advice. We're diving deep into the science behind 6 specific, everyday fruits that have been shown to possess incredible cancer-fighting properties. This isn't about miracle cures, but about arming your body with the best possible defense. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to turn your fruit bowl into a fortress against cancer. Let's get started. First on our list is the vibrant and tangy grapefruit. This citrus powerhouse is more than just a breakfast staple. It's packed with 2 key compounds: lycopene and naringenin. Studies, like those published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, have shown that these compounds can help prevent the growth of cancer cells. Think of them as your body's personal security guards, identifying and neutralizing threats before they can multiply. Lycopene, the pigment that gives grapefruit its beautiful pink and red hues, is a potent antioxidant that has been linked to a lower risk of prostate cancer. Naringenin, on the other hand, has shown promise in repairing damaged DNA, a critical step in preventing cells from turning cancerous. Beyond these specific compounds, grapefruit is a fantastic source of vitamin C, which is essential for a robust immune system. A strong immune system is your first line of defense, capable of recognizing and destroying abnormal cells on its own. So, how can you incorporate this into your diet? It's simple. Aim for about half a grapefruit or a 200-gram serving each day. You can enjoy it on its own, add it to salads for a zesty kick, or blend it into a smoothie. A word of caution, though. Grapefruit can interact with certain medications, so if you're on any prescriptions, it's always best to have a quick chat with your doctor first. Next up, an old favorite, the apple. You know the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," and when it comes to cancer prevention, there's a lot of truth to it. Apples contain a staggering number of natural compounds, over 300 in fact, that work together to protect your body. One of the most studied is a flavonoid called quercetin. Research from institutions like Cornell University has highlighted quercetin's ability to inhibit the growth of various cancers, including those affecting the lung, liver, colon, and prostate. It acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, stopping cellular damage in its tracks. But here's the crucial tip. Don't peel your apples. The skin is where the highest concentration of these anti-cancer compounds is found. When you throw away the peel, you're throwing away the most potent part of the fruit. Also, try to eat your apple soon after cutting it. Once the flesh is exposed to air, it begins to oxidize, and those precious antioxidants start to degrade. For an extra boost, try sprinkling some cinnamon powder on your apple slices. Cinnamon has its own powerful anti-inflammatory benefits that perfectly complement the apple's properties. Aim for 1 to 2 apples per day to reap these amazing benefits. Our third cancer-fighting hero is the grape, especially the red and purple varieties. These juicy little orbs are a treasure trove of a powerful polyphenol called resveratrol. You might have heard about resveratrol in relation to red wine and heart health, but its benefits go much further. Resveratrol has been extensively studied for its ability to slow down and even suppress the growth of cancer cells. It works on multiple fronts. It can trigger the self-destruct sequence in cancer cells, a process called apoptosis, and it can block the formation of new blood vessels that tumors need to grow. Just like with apples, the most potent parts of the grape are often discarded, the skin and the seeds. These parts contain the highest concentration of resveratrol and other beneficial compounds. So, when you enjoy a bunch of grapes, make sure you're eating the whole fruit. The slightly bitter taste of the seeds is a small price to pay for such incredible health protection. How many should you eat? A daily serving of about 150 to 200 grams, which is roughly 20 to 30 medium-sized grapes, is a great target. They make a perfect snack, a sweet addition to your oatmeal, or a refreshing treat straight from the freezer. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about the humble banana. Often praised for its potassium content, the banana also holds significant power in the fight against cancer. Bananas are a great source of a protein called lectin, which has been observed in laboratory studies to bind to abnormal cells and flag them for destruction by the immune system. They are also packed with vitamin C and other powerful antioxidants that help fortify your body's natural anti-cancer defenses. Think of it as upgrading your internal army's equipment, making them stronger and more efficient at their job. For the maximum benefit, here's a pro tip. Choose bananas that are still slightly unripe, with a light green peel. These bananas have a higher concentration of resistant starch, which is beneficial for gut health. And a healthy gut is foundational to a strong immune system. To maximize the absorption of all the nutrients a banana has to offer, try pairing it with a source of healthy fats. Blending a banana with avocado in a smoothie, sprinkling chia seeds on your banana slices, or mashing it with some ground flaxseed are all excellent ways to do this. Aiming for 1 to 2 bananas per day is a simple and delicious strategy for your health. Our 5th powerful fruit is the kiwi, nature's green gem. This small fuzzy fruit punches way above its weight when it comes to nutritional value. Did you know that kiwi contains more vitamin C per gram than an orange? This incredible vitamin C content, along with vitamin E, fiber, and various polyphenols, makes kiwi a formidable force against cancer. These compounds work synergistically to create a hostile environment for cancer cells. Studies have suggested that kiwi extract can help induce oxidative stress specifically within cancer cells, leading to their destruction while leaving healthy cells unharmed. This effect has been noted particularly in relation to cancers of the intestine, stomach, and lungs. And here's a surprising fact. The kiwi skin is completely edible. While many of us are used to scooping out the green flesh, the skin contains extra fiber and even more nutrients. Just give it a good wash to remove the fuzz, and you can slice it and eat it whole. If the texture is not for you, that's okay. The flesh is still incredibly beneficial. Eating 1 or 2 kiwis per day is an easy way to load up on these protective compounds. Add them to your fruit salad, yogurt, or just enjoy them on their own. Finally, we arrive at our 6th and final fruit, the sweet, refreshing watermelon. Perfect for a hot summer day, watermelon is also a nutritional giant. It is exceptionally rich in lycopene, the same antioxidant we found in grapefruit. In fact, ripe watermelon contains about 40% more lycopene than even a ripe tomato, which is often cited as the top source. Lycopene has been strongly linked in numerous studies to a reduced risk of several types of cancer, especially prostate, lung, and stomach cancers. But don't spit out the seeds. Watermelon seeds are a hidden nutritional treasure. They are packed with zinc and magnesium, 2 essential minerals that play a critical role in supporting immune balance and preventing the genetic mutations that can lead to cancer. You can chew them along with the flesh, or you can even buy dried watermelon seeds to snack on. To get the most lycopene, choose a watermelon that is a deep, vibrant red and fully ripe. And just like with other fat-soluble antioxidants, you can enhance your body's absorption of lycopene by pairing watermelon with a little healthy fat. Drizzling a bit of olive oil on a watermelon and feta salad, or blending it with chia seeds or flaxseed, can make a huge difference. A daily portion of 200 to 300 grams is a fantastic goal. So there you have it, 6 powerful, delicious, and easily accessible fruits that can become a core part of your cancer prevention strategy. Grapefruit, apples, grapes, bananas, kiwi, and watermelon. Each one offers a unique arsenal of compounds that work to protect your cells, boost your immune system, and fight inflammation. Remember, building a healthy lifestyle is not about a single superfood or a magic bullet. It's about the small, consistent choices we make every single day. By consciously adding these fruits to your diet, you are taking a proactive, powerful step towards safeguarding your health for the long term. It's about empowerment. It's about taking back control in a world where we can often feel powerless. Your health is your greatest wealth, and nourishing your body is the best investment you can ever make. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with the people you care about. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video on practical health tips. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these fruits is your favorite? Take care and see you next time.